Example 1. Factor 8x squared plus 22x plus 15. What's the first thing you do? What's the greatest common factor? 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, so you're only worried about 2's. 2 goes in here, 2 does not go in here. 2 is not the greatest common factor. Neither is 4, neither can be 8. So the greatest common factor is 1. There's no x here, so 1. And the product is A times C. A times 15 or 120. And the sum is positive 22. The large number is positive, so that's positive. The other number is positive also. A positive number times a positive number gives you a positive product. Run through all the divisors of 120 and keep an eye out for the sum. You're interested in the sum of 22, if there is such a sum. So 1 times 120, 2 times 60, the sum is not 22. 3 times 40, 4 times 30, 5 times 24, the sum is 29. I'm getting closer. 6 goes in here 20 times. 6, after you divide by 3, you can still divide by 2. Divide by 2, you get 20. After you divide by 4, you can still divide by 2 to get 8. So 1/2 is 15. And this is 23. 10 times 12, the sum is 22. You found two numbers whose product is positive 120 and whose sum is 22. These numbers tell you how to split up the middle term. Okay? These two numbers, 10 and 12, tell you how to split up the middle term. So the middle term becomes 10x plus 12x. That's 22x. And then you got 4 terms here. What can you factor from the first 2? How about 2x? What can you factor from the last 2? 3. What do you have common in here? 3 times 4x plus 5, 2x times the same, 4x plus 5. So 4x plus 5 is a common factor. It is now the greatest common factor, which you can yank out. And after you've written this, you're left with 2x plus 3. 2x plus, and this is factored. And when you distribute, you should get 8x squared plus 22x plus 15 back. This technique will always work.